The National Electrical Code does not explicitly prohibit leaving existing wiring and devices in place during an office remodel, provided certain conditions are met. Abandoned equipment and wiring must be de-energized and disconnected from all power sources. It must be clearly labeled as abandoned or do not use. It must be properly capped, sealed, or otherwise protected to prevent accidental energization. If concealed behind furniture or other permanent fixtures, the non-metallic sheathed cable must be protected from physical damage. If concealed cable is not protected, it should be removed and replaced with new cable. As mentioned, abandoned fire alarm cables have specific disposal requirements. They must be removed and disposed of properly. It is important to ensure that abandoned wiring and devices do not pose any safety or liability risks. If there is any doubt about the condition or safety of existing wiring, it should be removed and replaced. While the NEC does not prohibit leaving existing wiring and devices, it is generally recommended to remove and replace them for the following reasons. Firstly, safety. This eliminates potential fire or electrical hazards. Secondly, code compliance. This conforms to the NEC and any local building codes. Thirdly, aesthetics. This provides a clean and professional appearance. Fourthly, future maintenance. This avoids having to deal with obsolete or damaged wiring in the future. In most cases, it is advisable to remove and replace existing wiring and devices during an office remodel. However, if choosing to leave them, it is important to ensure that they are abandoned properly and pose no safety or liability risks.